Right before Memorial Day weekend in May 2021, the judge in the Roundup MDL handed Bayer a major setback when he rejected the company's controversial proposed settlement with respect to future claims. If approved, the settlement arrangement would have greatly curtailed future lawsuits by individuals claiming that exposure to Roundup caused cancer. Roundup had proposed to set aside $2 billion to create a futures class action for these claims. Some of that $2 billion would have gone into a compensation fund, but the majority would have been used to fund a scientific panel. The science panel would have spent the next few years looking at all the studies and evidence relating to Roundup and cancer. Then the panel would have issued a formal conclusion as to whether Roundup causes cancer or not. This conclusion would have been binding on all future Roundup claimants. So if the panel ruled that Roundup does not cause cancer, all future Roundup claims would have been effectively barred. The rejection of the settlement deal was not a surprise, because the judge had repeatedly issued statements on the record that were highly critical of Bayer's futures class action proposal. Just a few days after the judge's rejection of the Roundup settlement proposal, Bayer issued a new 5-point plan for how it will attempt to handle future Roundup claims and limit the company's liability going forward. One of the points in this plan surprisingly suggested that Bayer may end up discontinuing the sale of Roundup to residential consumers and focus entirely on selling to commercial users. The rejection of the settlement proposal has left the door open for continuing Roundup cancer lawsuits in the future. Our firm is currently still accepting new Roundup cases. If you have been diagnosed with lymphoma or skin cancer after regularly using Roundup for a long period of time, call our office today.